Hey guys, Steve from Resell Dojo back, and today I got a what sold video for you. This is items that sold for $40 or more in the past week, and I'm trying to do items that I may not have shown before, mix it up, some new categories, some categories that are my bread and butter, but I really just want to show you guys a few different things that you could find at the thrift stores or garage selling or wherever that you could sell for $40 or more. Now I'm going to keep this one quick and just do quick hitters on each of them, just so we can get through it because I know your time is valuable. So the first item I have here is this Garmin Nuvi. Not all navigation systems are worthwhile. This one I did sell for the full asking price of the $62.95. I think I paid $10 for this, so that was a great sale. Always make sure to check comps. There are a lot of bad navigation system comps that are out there. They're not all winners, so just make sure you check them out. Next one I have here is this Lord of the Rings video game. This is for PC. If you ever see Lord of the Ring PC games, make sure you check them and scan them, make sure they're complete. These are awesome games to flip. I've flipped this one I think probably like 4 or 5 times already, and I always get around this price. So make sure you grab these whenever you can. Next one is another PC video game. I know a lot of people don't go for the PC route. That's why I'm trying to highlight them today. This Empire Earth game, I had the original Empire Earth 2, the expansion pack, and the strategy guide. I allowed them all together and sold them for $41. Free shipping. I had I think $6 into it, and I sold it within like 2 or 3 weeks. So keep an eye out for different video games, especially if they're really nice packaging and you have strategy guides. You can bundle stuff. That's always the key for me, for myself selling PC games. I do a lot of bundling, especially if you find sim games for like $1 or 50 cents each. You could bundle a lot of those together, and you could get your price point up higher to like 30, 40, 50, $60. Next one I have is this Nintendo DSi Burgundy. This one I paid I think $9 for and sold it for $75. So I'm sure all you guys know the Nintendo handhelds are very easy flips. You get them for the right price and they're in good condition or just actually working condition. You can move them pretty quickly. This is bread and butter item for myself. I've showed this one multiple times, but I remind you guys, Wii's are selling all the time. I sell replacement consoles. I'm almost sold out of all my Wii's. I think I had like 7 or 8 at one point. When we're actually at the downswing of the sales cycle, I've started gathering more and more Wii's, and now they're starting to sell out for myself. So if you do see them for like $10 or $12 and you're able to test them, grab them and sell them. Printer ink I always sell real quick, and just make sure it's not fake. I normally sell the HP brand. That's the one I normally go for. I think Brother is the one that you have to watch out for. I think Lexmark you're okay, but I'm generally pretty safe when I'm selling HP. Just look at it, make sure it doesn't look bootleg or anything like that, and you should be fine. Now I want to highlight some DVDs and sets for you guys to make sure you guys have these bolos when you're going out. Always check musicians and concert DVDs. This one's Olivia Newton-John. I paid I think $1 for this one, and I sold it for $67. This Midsummer Murder set was a winner for me. I found these all at the same thrift store. I think I bought them for $3 each, and then I lotted them all up. That's the key to selling media, is how many things can you lot together that someone will want to buy, and then you get that ASP price up for you. So I lotted 4 sets that aren't even consecutive sets together, and I sold them for $72. Another one, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw this one before, one of the DVD bolos I had. This Dr. Emerson set, I paid I think $3 or $4 for it and sold it within like 2 weeks for $63. Sex and the City Complete Series, I sold 2 of these this past week, actually this past weekend. I had one for $45, another one for $50. A person bought it when it wasn't on sale in my store for $50. I put it on sale, another one sold. I have actually sold a third one this about maybe 4 weeks ago for $45 as well. If you find these for cheap, $6, $8, $10, you're gonna be able to flip them pretty easy, and you got media mail shipping on there. So, for shipping it's about like $5 to ship. Another huge DVD bolo to look for is the Pretender sets. This is season 4. This one sold for $54, and it was probably about a 3-week flip for me. I find these all the time. I price them high, and I know I can get my value for it. Just wait it out. There's not many out there, and there's a lot of people that want them. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this quick hitter of what sold this past week. These were all $40 items that you could find at your thrift store garage sale, maybe even in your house right now, and you could flip them right away and make some money. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you really loved it, make sure you hit the subscribe if you haven't before. And also, I always love interacting with you guys, so leave a comment below because I want to hear what you guys are selling, what bolos that you guys have found in the past week or so, just so I'm learning more stuff and I could share it with everyone else. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.